Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can block whispers from others in Twitch, or how you can disable whispers from others which you don't know. So what you want to do is just simply go to the right top corner to your name and then just click here on settings. Right when you're gonna be here, go to security and privacy, and you're gonna see right here, block whispers from strangers. Block whispers from strangers unless you whisper them first. A stranger is anyone who is not your friend, someone you follow, someone you subscribe to, one of your mods, or one of your editors. So this is how we do it. And yep, just block whispers from strangers. And if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. Yep, have a great day and goodbye.